Jerry? It's the first day and you're late.
Look, last night was my anniversary with your sister, man. You know how she gets when she starts drinking.
I don't need to hear about any of that. I don't care if you're family. If you mess up again, I will fire you.
It's not even like that, man.
It's not like that? It's the first day, and you're late. Are you wearing shorts? I told you to wear jeans, not Daisy Dukes.
It's hot.
Those look like you took them from my sister.
These are jeans, and they are your sisters, but that's all I had.
Put this on.
A hard hat, dude? Come on, like, this is... I'm the dude that sweeps shit. What the fuck do I need this for?
You need to preserve what little brains you got left. Put this on, too.
Are you fucking serious, dude? This no swagger. I'll be looking like the village people. Tony, come on. I'm sorry, man. And you look, I need this money.